Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix crossplay voice chat not working in COD MW3. Open the game and press the start button. Then go to settings, then go to account and network. Then turn on the toggle of crossplay and crossplay communication. Then go back and open the audio. Then go to master volume, then press the square button. Then turn it on. Then turn on the voice chat. Then select the game voice channel to party only. Then go to open mic sensitivity and set the bar to 31%. Then go to microphone level and set it as 78. Then once close the game and reopen it. Now try to join in the voice chat. By following these steps, you can fix crossplay voice chat not working in COD MW3.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.